Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about an MVP shoe for a special individual player. This player won back-to-back MVPs, and we're talking about the LeBron 7s. This shoe was finally put on sale for retail. It's supposed to come out June 26th, but Nike pushed the release date back on the sneakers app to June 29th. But mostly everybody released on June 26th. I was able to get my hands on the pair. Shout out to my man Chris. He looked out for me and was able to get me a size 9. So I had to bring it to the channel and let you guys get a look at them. But before we do that, I'm going to need you guys to hit that subscribe button. I just want to let you guys know I appreciate you guys, man. We're over 1K subscribers, man. So let's get to 1,100 subscribers and just keep climbing and climbing, because we got goals we got to reach here with the channel. I know I haven't been dropping too much stuff. I'm kind of in the works working on some new, content coming to the channel other than sneakers, so stay tuned for that. But also, if you guys want to get me this Penny for Your Thoughts merch, you guys could go straight to the website. It's p4yt2016.com. Let me say that one more time. It's p4yt2016.com for all the merch, anything, p4yt. You can find it on that website. And also, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. I know y'all tired of me talking and y'all want to get to this shoe, so let's do it. Here you guys go. LeBron 7 MVP. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys see, this shoe, this MVP LeBron 7 that Nike decided to send to retail has a full airbag. The one that came out in 2009 did not have a full airbag. It was actually the LeBron 7 PS. The PS stands for postseason. He pretty much went with a lighter shoe. Like back then, he used to go with lighter shoes going into the playoffs or whatever the case may be. So the shoes like this, the signature shoes, will be the shoes that he used throughout the season, and then he would go with a lighter shoe for the playoffs. So I guess he could have more bounce, from the wear and tear of the season. But this right here, this shoe did not come out to retail. The other one did, but I'm happy Nike decided to send this one to retail, man. This is a clean shoe. So let's get straight into it. As you guys see, we have the gray quilted material here. You have a gold swoosh right here. This material here is called Chanel. You have the burgundy outline here. Then you have the LeBron logo here in gold. You come over here to this side. It says history on the back panel. Right here on this side it says MVP. On the inside of the shoe it says 08-09 for the season that he won the MVP. Come on this side, you have more of the gray quilted material here. Then you have a gray swoosh right here, the gray quilted swoosh here. Then on the front it says 20. Of course, on the other foot it says 3. You have the airbag here that we just spoke about in the beginning of the video. It looks red, but it's actually burgundy. Right here you got the burgundy airbag. Come down here on the bottom of the sole. The sole here is burgundy. You have the gold here, and then you have the clear outside of the sole, and it has gold specks on the inside of it, which makes the shoe really clean. It makes the shoe pop. As you can see, there's gold pretty much all over the shoe to go with the white, gold, and burgundy look that they have going with the gray, which looks really, really clean. They have some gold stitching right here. You have the burgundy LeBron logo here with the gray quilted in the background. Just a clean shoe. Like I mentioned here, it says history on the back of the right foot, and on the left foot it says witness. So back then they used to LeBron's one of his marketing schemes was to witness everything, like witness greatness and things like that, man. But this is the left foot. You see the MVP right here. Got the gold swoosh right here. Great quilted material here, man. Pretty much more the same, but this shoe is really, really clean. I think Nike got it right with this one, man. I'm really happy that they decided to release this one to retail and not the PSP. I wasn't really a fan of the LeBron PSs or like shoes he was wearing, like going into the playoffs and stuff like that. I never really bought any. I don't have any of those in my collection. I'm more a fan of these, man. I really love the LeBron 7. As you guys can see, I have a lot of videos of the LeBron 7. Alright, so you guys know what time it is, man. It's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, man, I'm definitely gonna have to give this shoe, man, because it's so clean and it fits perfect for the time that we're going in. I'm gonna have to give these joints, man, 4.5 out of 5 pennies, man. If you guys think I'm tripping, let me know. Leave in the comments below. Y'all know we do the rating system here at Penny for your thoughts, man. But let me know what you guys think. You guys think this shoe is clean? Let me know. Leave it in the comments below, man. Let me know how you guys feel. You feel like Nike got it right releasing this one, or do you feel like the PS version is better? Let me know, leave in the comments below, but I think it's clean. But y'all already know, as we continue to keep it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.